Microphone check, check, 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, beautiful 360 booth operators? My name is David. If it's your very first time on this channel, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the 360 booth global family. That's right, we have a global 360 booth family going on, showing each other love on Facebook. That link is in the description below. So guys, now that you are a 360 booth owner, you guys are coming to the realization that it's gonna take a little bit more effort to stand out when it comes to competing for clients. Now, even though there's plenty of clients, plenty of festivities and events going on a weekly and weekend basis, there has to be a way for you to really stand out. And now you guys are realizing that having a website is essential. It's imperative. That's the reason I started my website way back when I first started my iPhone repair business. Now, when I first started my iPhone repair business, I only had Instagram, I had Google business page, and what did I have? I had a Facebook. That's all I had. That's what I had to work with. And then later on down the road, because I found out how important a website was, I ended up getting a website, and I ended up selecting Wix just because I seen a lot of YouTube videos of YouTubers talking about Wix and how easy it was to use. Well, I decided to do it, and I made my own very website. I don't know why I cannot speak in English today. I am an American citizen, and I speak English forever. What the heck? What I was trying to say is that I created my own iPhone repair website, and this is how it looks. Let me just go ahead and scroll down. As you guys can see, I just try to keep it really clean, really simple, but included videos and some pictures and a little of who I am as a iPhone repair technician. Now, moving to 2022, I launched a 360 booth business, and I've been sharing this journey with you guys, been very transparent. I've shared my ups and downs, my budget, the factory, where I bought the 360 booth, so you guys wouldn't have to pay retail price. And I think that's why the channel got so much love, because I was just sharing everything. A lot of people like keeping things a secret. Me, no, not during this lifetime, not at all. I'm here to help you guys prosper, because I know that the universe is going to reciprocate that, and I'm going to go ahead and continue moving forward in a positive direction, walking that righteous path. Now, I know you guys are still with me here to this day because I see your comments. I am getting my one-on-one consultations, and one of the things you guys been bringing up is your websites. You want me to check out your websites, and what I'm realizing is the websites that you guys are creating or have people creating for you, they look nice. Some of them are stylish, some of them are sleek, some of them look fun, and all that great stuff. But it takes a lot more than just that to have a website that's going to be effective, that's going to be indexed, and it's going to help you rank on the Google page. So moving forward, what I'm going to start doing, guys, is I'm going to go open up a series on Wix and building your website using Wix. And I'm going to go over important things like, one, the payouts, the invoices, the booking calendar, how to actually create offers and coupons for your clients, just in case you guys run into a situation where you want to create promotions or have a client that's saying, hey, is there anything you can do for us? The event's going to be for during the weekday. Can you give us some type of offer? And your answer, of course, is going to be yes, because I'm going to show you guys how to create a specific promo code just for them so that they can plug that in when they check out. This is going to be super cool, and they're going to love that because they're going to feel like, wow, you really went, above and beyond to provide them with an offer code. So that's going to be dope. On top of that, Wix has, I was about to say TouchFix. On top of that, Wix has amazing tools. One, it has insights. It has financial tools. It has marketing tools. It has all kinds of stuff. I'm going to break this down. Like I said, I'm going to make a series so that you guys can start building your website and start building more success for your business, because as you guys hit a certain ceiling, you guys are going to have to start scaling your business, but you're going to have to become creative, and you're going to need a website, guys. That's why so many big companies have websites, because there is strength in having a good website. I'm going to help you guys out with that. I promise. This is what I'm going to start doing moving forward. And of course, I'm going to provide you with other tips that stand out during events. One of the things that really caught my eyes during these events is I was doing birthdays for younger kids. And it's a good idea to have your prop table inside of the stanchion area so that you can let a limited group inside, have them stand on the booth. And then when they're done, put their props back on the table, then let them out, and then let your next group in. Because if you leave your prop table outside, those kids are gonna tear that prop table up. But that's another video. But this is what I mean, guys. I'm learning so much every single weekend, and I want you guys to get this information, run with it, so you guys don't run into the bottleneck process or obstacles that I've experienced myself. I hope this video helps. Subscribe, because once we get to 3,060 subscribers, I'm giving away that 360 booth. Now, the winner of that 360 booth, I've been thinking about it. I'm gonna invest time into you, because if I'm gonna be giving you a 360 booth. I want you to be successful. So I will be mentoring you so that you can have a successful business, guys. Please join the Facebook group if you are considering jumping into the 360 booth industry, or if you're already a 360 booth operator. Go in there, share your knowledge, watch other people come out and share their knowledge, and this is going to be a dope experience for us to experience during this lifetime. I love you guys. I want to see you guys succeed, and I hope you guys wish the same thing for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.